Hello everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate SayIt, a new app from RN Software. SayIt is a simple application that aims to do one thing very well, and that is enable you to launch applications using your voice and do it very quickly. Let's see how it works. Here's our SayIt icon on our home screen. Chrome. As you can see, SayIt can quickly launch the application. Facebook. Now with SayIt, we've also included a widget. Let's go to our widgets and add it to our home screen. This widget also introduces a new feature. We call it the self-organizing app grid. This is similar to your app drawer, except it learns which apps you use most often and places them in that order. If I tap onto the left side of the widget, the applications that I use most often come up at the top. So Facebook, Chrome, let's take a look at Calculator for instance. So let's take a look at some of the other applications that can also launch an application with your voice. Google Now is one that is actually bundled in with Android starting with Jelly Bean. Let's take a look at that one and see how quickly it can launch an application. Launch Twitter.
Opening app.
Okay, so there's Twitter coming from Google Now. Now let's take a look at SayIt. Twitter. Pretty quick. Now this widget that we've included also now has support for the new lock screen that comes with Android 4.2, the newest version of Jelly Bean. So let's take a look at the lock screen here. And what we're going to do, let's slide over and add SayIt to our lock screen. Okay, so from here we can also launch an application. This will remove a couple steps from having to unlock our device and go to our home screen. Calculator. And there we go. Alright guys, let's take a look at SayIt on another device. This is my Samsung Galaxy S3. It's a newer device. It's a very popular one. I'm sure a lot of you have one. Something that a lot of these manufacturers are trying to do now, like LG, or Motorola, Samsung, is having the ability to place icons on your lock screen. So usually about 4 icons that you can get to the applications that you may use the most often very quickly. So I have SayIt as one of those, the idea being that you can launch other applications using your voice from your lock screen. So to do this, let's just take a look at that real fast. I'm going to go into my settings here and scroll down to security and lock screen options. Now here we're going to want to make sure that shortcuts is on, and then we're actually going to tap shortcuts. Then here you'll see a plus sign and you'll be able to add up to 4 applications on your lock screen. So now let's take a look at that working. Tap on our icon and slide up. Facebook. And there we go. You can do also calendar. And you can launch applications from your lock screen. So that's it, guys. That's SayIt. Download and enjoy.